So the best way for you to get high quality clients who are willing to pay you thousands of dollars a month, and it's actually very simple, which you might think is bullshit, but here's the deal. You have to start getting into high quality circles. The reason why you're not getting high quality clients is because you're surrounding yourself with people who are not high quality. You're trying to grab onto this picture of like, oh, like as long as I look for them, I'm gonna find them kind of shit. Like that shit does not happen. You need to spend money. You need to get inside groups. You need to get in front of the right people. People is what you need. You don't need high quality clients. You need people. Because if you build a relationship with people who are high quality, odds are their friends are high quality too. Yeah, you're trying LinkedIn and all that, but that's all cold. It's not like it's the same exact thing as running ads. Like people to this very point in time, they've catched onto it. When you're cold DMing, they know you're trying to fucking sell. Like they're not delusional. Like people are getting a little bit smarter, even though most people aren't, but they're starting to catch on to it. You need to understand too that like if you're not able to sell something that's scalable, then you trying to get high quality clients is not going to be scalable. It's going to be like one-offs or like short-term shit, because when you have high quality clients, you have to put high quality time into them. Okay. You get out what you put in. It's the same saying that I've been basically going by for my entire life. You need to understand that the people who you're hanging around with, the people on Instagram you associate yourself with, your friends in general, the people in your hometown, wherever you live, like if they're not high quality people, you're not going to find high quality clients. And start perceiving yourself as a high quality advertiser as well. You need a perception. That's why the biggest brands like that are luxury, like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, like they hike up their prices because people associate their prices with luxury. You need to associate your service with luxury, and more luxurious people who like that kind of shit are going to gravitate towards you. So that's why I post a lot about results. I have a sales team. I have a landing page that basically drives all these leads to my calendar. I have a very high quality, luxurious process of how I'm able to get clients nurtured, get them on the phone, close them, and obviously build a very successful agency. You need to stop trying to just cold DM only and try to make a quick buck. You need to perceive yourself as that authority. So getting in press, building out your personal brand, putting out content, making yourself the guy, like the go-to guy. There's not anybody right now, I think, in my niche that has more followers than me in the Facebook ad niche that is doing as much as I am. I think I'm probably the most followed Facebook ad person on Instagram right now. There's not a lot of people who do Facebook ads that are putting out content like me. So that's where you got to basically separate yourself. You got to be that go-to person that people, when they talk about Facebook, like, yo, you know about that guy Jason? But like, it's not always about high quality. It's how you perceive yourself.